guys. Here we go. Waiting for this to start. There we go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to live.casebreak.com. We have 2013 Bowman Sterling football, 4-box case break number 2, or 4-box break. I shouldn't say case break. It's a master case break split into 2 different breaks. First half had a whole bunch of Tavon Austin, not too much of anything else. A couple nice patches. We're looking for something veteran on this side, should be. First packs out here with our box topper. And here are the teams. I got Dale with the Chargers and Bengals, Charles with the Chiefs, Baltimore with the Cardinals, Anthony Giants, Justin Cowboys, Dave B Broncos and Bills, Rick Raiders, Corey Seahawks, Joe Falcons, Blair Saints, Bob with the Patriots, Scott Browns, Adam Niners, Scott Redskins, Dave B Eagles, Sean Rams, Joe M with the Steelers, Sean with the Panthers, Dave B Buccos, Tanner Texans. Any team not listed is owned by us. Here we go. Pack number 1. Got Deion Sims for the Finns, Nassib for the Giants, and Adrian Peterson for the Vikings, parallel out of 75. Pretty nice card right there. We got a Golden Tate. There's a veteran. 80 out of 99, little blue wave action, if you will. So the Seahawks, Golden Tate for Corey. There you go, Corey. I know you're a Seahawks PC guy. 80 out of 99, and the bottom card is a Franklin for the pack. Franklin Jumbo Green Relic for the Packers. Put this stuff off on the side here. Okay. Pack number 2. Gotcha. Okay, Affair for the Bengals, Bailey for the Rams, Wilson for the Titans. We got Christian Michael for the Seahawks, and Joseph Randall for the Cowboys. So Seahawks starting out hot here, 2 hits. Christian Michael and a Golden Tate. Next pack. We have a Kaepernick for the Niners, CPAT for the Vikings, Russell Wilson. We got DeAndre Hopkins out of 1200 jersey. If we can fill it, Joe, I'll do a couple. I can't go crazy and do a bunch, though. And Kenny Stills auto relic for the Saints. Little patch, or not patch there, just jersey relic. It's at a 361. Kenny's got to work on his auto. K-S, huh? Okay, we got Jordan Reed, Masonette. That is either Browns or Eagles. Browns, looks like he got traded to the Browns. So Masonette's going to the Browns, not Eagles. Lacey, rookie card. Top card. Wow, very nice patch. Another T. Will for the Cowboys. Dallas went to Justin W. Justin W. 18 out of 75. Bottom card. Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers of the 1200. So T. Will for the Cowboys, Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. Yeah, if we get enough guys interested, Joe, I'll definitely do one. All right, Ray Graham for the Texans, RG3, and T. Will for the Cowboys. Top card. Oh, they did get Mingo in here. Nice. So Barkevius Mingo for the Browns. Scott R. Yeah, see, I wasn't sure if they'd get him in this or not. Cool rookie auto there. What a pretty good season for the Browns. Scott R., that's yours. Bottom card is an Escobar for the Cowboys. Devin Escobar. Plain blue. Got AJ Green for the Bengals. Escobar for the Cowboys. And Michael for the Seahawks on a 99 blue. We got Joseph Randall for Dallas. Another Cowboys auto and a very nice patch for the Seahawks. Christian Michael. Awesome patch there. That's out of 75. Seahawks are killing it right now. Corey S. with the Seahawks. Very nice. Got the retreat true. Patches are very nice as advertised. That was the selling point here. Okay, we have a gold box topper of 25. Look at that patch. That is beautiful. Jordan Reed for the Redskins. Scott R. Very nice. You got the Mingo and this now. Scott R. Let me get a focus on that so True can get a nice picture. Hold on. There it is. Jordan Reed. 9 out of 25 for the Redskins. That is nice. Triple color jumbo. Alright. Good way to end that box. Next patch. Or pack, rather. We got Denard Robinson, Matt Barkley, holy Superfractor. I'm on a Superfractor roll. Wow. Tennessee Titans, that is ours. We have the Titans.
What?
Bleedy Ray Wilson, another Superfractor. My third Superfractor. Third Superfractor in just over a week. Wow. Bleedy Ray Wilson, and the Titans are owned by LCB. We have the Titans, Lair. I don't know if this guy's any good, but it's still a nice card. It's gotta be 50 to 100 bucks. Is he any good? Anybody know? Wow, we still got 2 hits in here, too. Bleedy Ray Wilson. Yeah, exactly. Hopefully his mom uses eBay. Alright, bottom card, a ferret for the Bengals. That was awesome. That doesn't need to be back. Tyler Ferret. That card has major damage on it. Dale has glue all over it, buddy. See the glue streak right there? Just so you see that. That's Dale with the Bengals, Tyler Ferret. And that's actually a short printed version out of 166. And we have a gold Randall Cobb. There's a veteran out of 50 for the pack. Looks like glue, man. Doesn't that look like glue right there? Not glue in quotation marks. Wow, Superfractor, man. Randall Cobb, Packers. Who has the Packers this break? The pack is us. Okay, we have Tom Brady for the Pats. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Matty Ice, nice card. Blue out of 99. We have... oh, wow, that's ours. We have the Jets. Damn, Geno Smith out of 15. Wow, Larry. Damn. We just got crazy lucky in the random. 6 out of 15, Geno. I don't know what parallel that is because there's no damn checklist yet. Looks like a prism underneath it too. That might be our case hit. I'd say it's rigged too, Daniel, except it was all random. Nobody bought them. 6 out of 15, just missed the jersey number. Some sort of black prism refractor on that Geno. Here we go. Bottom card is another Prism. Damn! Wow. Andre Ellington. That is a hot card right now at a 30. Look at that patch. All right. I think Sterling's starting to heat up a little bit. Arizona is first timer. Baldo, how are you enjoying your first time here? You got that sweet Cowboys patch first break, and they get a nice Prism out of 30 Ellington. That is nice. Yeah, we're thinking about doing a point system tournament when we do Topps Chrome next week. 10 cases. Topps Chrome football, guys. I think it'd be pretty fun. Okay, looks like another veteran auto here. We have Niall Davis for the Chiefs, AP for the Vikings, and Andrew Luck for the Colts. Top card, there's another veteran. Ray Graham for the Texans, running back. So Ray Graham for Houston. We got Tanner with that. And Eddie Lacy for the Packers at a 1,200. Ray Graham, is it? Oh yeah, it says rookie on there. Wow. Who was I thinking of? I think I was thinking of Ben Tate. So Eddie Lacy and Ray Graham. I didn't even look at the card. I'm still shocked by that. Crazy Geno pull, man. It was unreal. Okay, Le'Veon Bell, Glennon, Buckner for the Cardinals. We have a Jarvis Jones for the Steelers. Jarvis Jones blue, Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, where are you? Joe M, that's yours. Jarvis Jones out of 99. And bottom card is a Deion Jordan for the Finns out of 1,200. So there's our two cards. Jarvis Jones, Steelers. Okay, Taylor, Wheaton, and Lonnie Pryor for the Jags. You guys see the auto underneath? Pryor out of 75. Another Andre Ellington. Nice hit for Arizona. Baldo, there you go, man. Doing pretty well. Really well now. Ellington auto for the Cardinals. Bottom card is a EJ relic. EJ Manuel Jumbo. Sweet. I think Pandora doesn't think we're listening anymore, so. Quick second here. There we go. Alright, EJ for Buffalo. Who grabbed Buffalo? Dave? Dave, you got Buffalo again. That's yours. Very low numbered, yes. Okay, Jamal Charles. We got Cam Newton. D. Milner. Wow, Eddie Lacy cold for the Packers. Out of 75. Get that numbering. 59 out of 75. Very good half case for sure. Bottom card, another Ellington. Wow. 3 Arizona Cardinals hits on this side. Baldo, all you, man. Another Ellington. That's a base actually at a 1,200. My bad. Not a gold. Appeared gold. Let's see who the box topper is. Wow. Oh my god, that's crazy patch. Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings out of 50. That is unreal. C-Pat out of 50. Crazy nice patch. Man, that's unreal. I'm gonna have to get all these up quick on eBay. Let me get a couple retweets from True here. Hold on. True's been busy with all these hits coming out. Did you get that SUPERFRACTOR? True? Okay, yeah, I see it now. Doing great with the tweets, True. Good job. Alright, 2 boxes left. We'll have to get you something nice for Christmas, Drew, if you keep it up. Just doing your job. Let me type our teams to Larry just so he knows. Nope, no dual yet. That's what I'm waiting for. There's going to be a guaranteed dual rookie auto. And the master case hasn't come out yet. Okay, Luke Jokel for the Jags. McDonald. There's an EJ out of 75, black. EJ. Dave B, that's yours. 13 out of 75. Nice card. Top hit is Boyce for the Pats. That's Bob. Yes, it is Bob. And a Geno relic. A Geno relic. Next pack, we got Randall, Lattimore, and an Ellington rookie. First hit is Le'Veon Bell out of 55 for the Steelers. Pittsburgh, they went to Joe M. There you go, Joe. Prism Refractor Le'Veon out of 55. There actually is a tiny little bit of black, so we can call that a 2-color. See that little black there? Le'Veon Bell 2-color. Bottom card is Ertz for the Eagles. So Ertz for the Eagles. Check PMs here. Oh, there's our duel as we speak. Okay. Tom Brady, Keenan Allen, Niall Davis. We got Lattimore out of 1,200 for the Niners. And here is the duel. There's an Arizona Cardinal on the top. Could be a Niner on the bottom. Oh, they're both Cardinals. Taylor and Ellington for the Cardinals. Dual auto out of 75. Prism. Tavon Stedman would have been nice. So let's see. This is, wow, first timer Baldo. 74 out of 75, man. No patches on there, but nice card. Taylor and Ellington. Oh, that one would have been a redemption. Nice. There you go, Baldo. Killing your first break, man. Or second break, technically. Move these. Here we go. Still got a box and a half left. Okay, Des Bryant. Flacco. There's an Okafor for the Cardinals. Got a prism here. Wow, unbelievable patch. There's Whitney's guy, Justin Hunter out of 99. Beautiful card. 82 out of 99. 3 supers in a week, man. I don't know. I'm on breaking steroids, apparently. You guys got to get me tested. So Justin Hunter, check out that patch. Beautiful. And bottom card is auto for the pack, Jonathan Franklin. I already did, Dale. I pulled the Randy Johnson 101 for Joe earlier. Not a super, but still a 101. So actually, I've had 4 101s. 4 101s in the past week. Craziness. Each red one. Hey, it's still 101. Oh no, the Miller hasn't been sent in for grading yet. Nate got his first 101. He just hasn't told you guys. He bought a box of Perfect Game and he pulled a 101, so he has his first 101. It was just a whammy, so he doesn't want to admit it. Top hit, Eric Reed for the Niners. This stuff is loaded with Niners. Loaded with Niners. Out of 99, Eric Reed, blue. And Andy Dalton. There's a vet for the Bengals, blue wave. Out of 75 for Dale. 5 101s in the past week. See, I lost my own count. 17 out of 75. Almost to the last box. We got one more box topper here too. Got another redemption. Cool. Your retweet here. They are pretty nice, man. Okay, Rodney Smith, Okafor, Thompson, top card is a T-Will for the Cowboys. So Terrence Williams for the Cowboys, and redemption, autograph of, I have no idea. Anybody know what team he plays for? Jaquay Bell? Is he the Lions? Okay. Detroit Lions. So there's the Lions. So the Lions do have a hit in this. Let me mark him down. I don't know what team he plays on, man. I watch the Bills. So actually, we're probably gonna sell that one. I watch football every Sunday, man. Just remember this Bell guy's Lions when you're sorting. Wait, that one. We can look him up if we need him. No, I don't. So we might sell that. Yeah, watching the Lions is definitely not selling football or watching football. Nice card here, quad color, beautiful patch. Aaron Dobson, Patriots for Bob P. That is awesome. Blue wave or whatever you want to call it. 52 out of 171. Crazy nice. Yeah, the Bills are pretty awful too. Can't say much there. So Dobson, Pats. Here we go, last box. We got a fresh master to rip into right here, guys. Fresh master for the final 2 breaks. Case popped down on the book. Here we go. Okay, Ferret for the Bengals, Wilson for the Titans, Deion Sims for the Finns. Uh-oh, there we go. We can't have all the mojo. E.J. Manuel, nice hit for Buffalo. Dave B, get that to focus for you. I have no idea, Joe. Boxes are 130. Larry, are you around? Here, I'll have Larry do it. Alright, Larry, I'll get you guys prices and we'll figure it out. Oh, can you price memories? Joe wanted to know so we can see if we can get any interest after this. Alright, EJ out of 130 for Buffalo. Dave B. There you go, Dave B. And we got another Andy Dalton for you, Dale. That is 98 out of 99 on that one. I think they're 10-box cases for memories. Pretty sure. I'm actually not positive. Okay, Stedman Bailey, rookie. Jordan Reed for the Redskins. And Lattimore gold out of 50 for the Niners. Adam? Adam R with the Niners. There you go. And Chris Craig for the Bills. That's because Sung's not here. I only play it when Sung's here. Craig for the Bills and Landry Jones for Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh hits there. Landry Jones. That's an eBay 101. 1 out of 99 on that. 1 out of 99 for Pittsburgh. Where'd they go? They went to Joe M. So there you go, Joe M. Landry Jones. That's jumbo yellow. Are they 12? I thought they were 10. Weren't they 10-box cases last year? Or am I just whacked? Someone call Song. Okay, cool. So they're okay. So it'd be 90 a division. 90 a division on 4 boxers, guys. Like I said, if we can fill a couple up, I'll do some. Masonette, Nassib, and Lacey. You got Kenny Stills auto for the Saints. Again, Kenny Stills got to work on his auto. That's terrible. Got to work on it. Who has the Saints? Blair, you got the. There you go, Blair. You got a hit. No longer skunked. And next is Landry Jones. I guess I should play the Fox song. Since ever since I started it, I've been pulling 101s left and right. It's definitely better than last year's deal, 100%. Wicked nice. Okay, next 2. Got our base. We got Te'o and EJ, Anza, Tavares King for the Broncos, and Lattimore for the Niners. Yeah, the relics are high numbered, Nate. Not sure why they did that. So Tavares King for the Broncos for Dave B, and Lattimore for the Niners for Adam. Here we go, 2 packs left. Get 2 buybacks per box, Joe. 2 buybacks per box. 1 autoed, 1 unnumbered, or 1 you know what I meant. 1 autographed, 1 not autographed. Mingo for the Browns. Rhodes. Joko out of 99 for the Jags. And first hit, Goodwin for the Bills. And bottom hit is... It's 100 times better than last year. You'll see once we start breaking it. Taylor for the Cardinals. Yeah, the prospects are insane. Stephen Taylor for the Cardinals. Joe, did I show you the box that came out yet? Or were you? I don't think you were in the room yet when I showed Joe's box. Here we go. Next pack. Yeah, Cardinals do not have many hits. Manning. Drew Brees base. We got a Riddick. Another Cardinals hit. Right as you said that, Dale. Taylor for the Cardinals, black and red. Patch auto, Prism out of 55. So Baldo with the Cardinals. And bottom card is Robert Woods for the Bills out of 1,200. Okay. Final box topper, and then we're on to break 3. It is for Adam R. Vance McDonald out of 50. Very nice jumbo. 33 out of 50, Vance. There we go, Vance McDonald. Good stuff. Alright, I think that case redeemed itself. That was crazy. Geno auto, EJ Manuel auto, ton of colored and patches. Let me save this video, guys. We'll